You can definitely replace windows in the winter. The window installation process allows for the window being out of the opening for just a very short period of time. So the old window casing is taken off of the old window. The new window is unpackaged and brought to where it's going to go, and then the old window is taken out of the opening. We put down some tape on the rough opening and on the sill to protect it, and then the new window goes back in. So it's not, I would say, depending on the size of the window, it's probably only 10 to 15 minutes that window is actually out of the opening. And all the tapes and caulkings and everything works fine in in the different weather conditions, and so there's no limitation there. I think that the biggest barrier to window replacement is that it takes a little bit longer in the winter. There's just less daylight hours that we have to be on the job site, and so we're not able to, our setup and our tear down time at the beginning and the end of the day, that's baked in. So it's only the hours that we're working in between that, and in the winter there's just less hours to be on the job site.